not so. Jacob was necessary. Like a son.
What was that? Are you tipping over?
Protecting him now when you're gone. Not anymore. This is the kind of thing that maybe what you are asking me to give you the key to his room so you can walk in. What is going to be and I can't do that. Peter. There are only murderers in this room. Michael.
You quit grinding those teeth.
This is the life we chose, the life we lead. And there is only one guarantee. None of us will see it.